So I'm going to show you how to create a yes no button. So basically it's a hello world project, except that when you click back it shows a yes no button, so that you can save state or whatever, or at least a confirmation at least. Yeah, so create a new project and yada yada yada, finish this. So we have a new project and it should generate the necessary files. So this is a plain hello world project, and what I do is I go to main activity. So I'm gonna get rid of all these menus because I have no use in this. You can leave it if you like. And what we do is you right click and press override methods or generate override methods. So you can do that. So I'm going to use a shortcut and then search for on back pressed. So this is one of the activity methods. You can get rid of this because we're not going to be using it. So we're going to create a alert dialog. Builder equal to new alert dialog, and it takes in the context. So you can just put up this and builder, and we need to set the message. So we set the message as are you sure you want to exit, or you can use a string in the values and then get the string. It's actually more efficient. Exit message. So this is actually better thing to do. The reason is tomorrow you want to localize it, you can just edit this, right? So get string r dot string dot exit message, and next we need to set the, so this basically will show you a message box, that's it, but we need to set up yes no dialog. So what we do is set positive button and you can say yes, and then put set negative button and no. This actually takes two parameters. One is the message which also can be kept as yes no here, yes no, yes no, and same get string r dot string dot yes, and get string r dot string dot no, right? So we still have an error. The reason is there's two parameters in this. So the second parameter is basically action to perform. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the dialog interface dot on click listener. We create a listener object. So new dialog listener on click listener. So this on click methods created, a semicolon in the end, and we need this switch basically. So we're going to use a switch statement, or you can use a for also. I mean, like you can use an if for else. That should be more than enough. So anyway, I'll just use a switch. So case dialog interface dot button positive. That is yes, I want to exit. Just before that. So button negative. Okay. So now, see, if I want to exit, then we just call the finish method. So it finishes it, or else just leave it, never mind, just break out of it. The super method is not called, so because we already got rid of that. So now we have this listener, just pass it here, listener, and that's it, done. So what I will do is I'll copy this code basically, and I'll put it in paste bin, and I'll put a URL in the description of the video. Alright, this will take a while. I already have my emulator running. Yeah, okay. So what we've done here is basically overridden the hardware back button, that is the device button, So whenever the user clicks the back button from the app, nothing happens if he click. I mean, it shows an alert, and if he presses no, nothing happens. If he presses yes, then it calls the finish method. So the activity finishes and the app exits. So that's pretty much how that works. Okay. Right, so we have a hello world project. Now I'm gonna click the back button and it gives me a exit message. When I click no, it just stays that way. Let me click it on it again. Yes, yes, and it exits. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching the video.